So we have been stuck in traffic for first time 20 to 30 minutes, now another 10 minutes or so, and we are waiting on construction. We're just trying to get to our next campsite on our way up to Salt Lake City. We did leave San Antonio, like literally. We have been sitting here. First time was quite a bit, and as you can see there's our line of traffic. All down there. Oh, here comes the pilot car. So what they're doing is this truck up here that just showed up with the orange and blue lights. He's the pilot car, and he basically leads people from one side to the other, going back and forth. And yeah, that's twice now. So hopefully we don't hit any more. We're supposed to be there by now, but still waiting. And as you can see, it is super windy out. Look at that wind. It is just blowing my van all over the place. It is windy. I'm hoping that the audio comes out. So check it out. We are here in, where are we at again? Sweetwater, Texas. That's right. We're in Sweetwater, Texas, and we just stopped for the night. We're at Love's RV stop. If you guys haven't checked these places out, they're pretty cool. I like coming to Love's just because big truck stop. Used to do that when I was driving a box truck for the company, and now I kind of just grown accustomed to it. Pretty much have everything that you want, shower facilities, all that kind of stuff. But the RV park that's affixed to most of these now have full hookups because we don't have the shower and everything done yet. What's nice about it is this here has a shower house. So this one here's got 2 stalls for showers and yeah, bathroom, some vending, nothing big, but the gas station is actually right behind us, as you see back there. So yeah, and we're gonna be talking a little bit about the Jeep and what we found with the front end and what I'm gonna have to order to get it fixed, because I'm pretty sure that's why it's tugging on me every once in a while, which has slowed us down a little bit. So yeah, gonna get showered up and get cleaned up for the night and hop back on the road tomorrow, and we're gonna do it all over again. So check out this badass facility, like really cool. Got yourself a little toilet, shower, and changing area. So we're gonna get cleaned up and see you tomorrow morning. Well, good morning, everybody. So we are charging along somewhere on 84 outside of Sweetwater, about 15-20 minutes, and got up this morning, got the dogs fed, got them let out, got everything taken care of. Went to the front, checked the fluids, filled up, and I just realized as I'm sitting here and getting ready to vlog and talk about some things, I forgot to get my gas cap. Yeah, I left that right on the gas pump, and I'm pretty sure we got some rain, so definitely gonna need to find an O'Reilly's or Advanced Auto Part or something to yeah, get set up with and get a new gas cap. Always got to be something, right? So if you guys ever forget about anything like that on a trip, comment down below. I want to hear about it. I want to hear if I'm the only one, or if there's other people gotta like have the same problem where they sometimes forget, and it's like, you know, you get busy with some stuff, and it's like I got so busy I meant to do some B-roll at the gas pump and just kind of filling up and doing all that other stuff, and just poof, blew my mind. So yeah, let me know below if you guys ever forget anything. So we're gonna chug along. I don't know how far we're gonna make it today. We're gonna drive until we don't want to drive no more, and we only got about, says 15 hours to Salt Lake City. So really, if I really wanted to push it, I could get there in one day, but I'm not gonna push it. just because I know going through the mountains and stuff would be a little stressful. And yeah, so, but yeah, the Jeep is so far so good, doing pretty good, not on plastic. But
those are the worst words to say.
yeah, I know. But, you know, yeah. But anyways, we took it to the shop there. I didn't talk too much about it just because when we got done with it, they wouldn't let me record in the shop. So they let me back there. They showed me some stuff. Alignment, they said, was pretty spot on. But the problem is the drag bar. The drag bar would need an adjustment on it, but they didn't want to do that because the tie rod ends were getting a little loose. Not bad, it's still drivable, still usable, but in Salt Lake City I'm going to, this weekend I'm going to get the ball joints, or not the ball joints, the tie rod ends, outer tie rod ends, and I'm going to get those replaced, and then I'm going to take it back in for a alignment, get that all taken care of, and see if that helps. So we decided to stop here in Moab, which we didn't stop at last time. Last footage we had, we were going through with the RV. We never really stopped just because we were on a time crunch to get back. But now today we did, and we stopped here at the Blue Pig barbecue joint right here off of the main drag right for Moab, which was crazy. If you guys watch some of the footage, you guys are gonna see that big the big piece of the earth mover dump truck that was in there. I think it was massive. It was swaying back and forth. They had a cop escort and everything going down the hill. But yeah, so this is Moab, and we're gonna have some footage as we go down some of this stuff and go from there. So